Let's indulge in the delightful flavours of summer with our refreshing Elderflower Cordial recipe. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create your very own batch of this enchanting cordial. To start, let's head out foraging. Let's gather some heads of elderflower, ensuring to remove as many leaves as possible. The aromatic blooms are the star of the show here. To start with, we pop the elderflower heads into a heat-proof container. 10 to 15 heads is more than enough. We'll make sure to remove any leaves whilst we do this as well. Next, squeeze the juice of 2 lemons into a large pot, adding 700 ml of water to the mix. The lemony zing perfectly complements the floral notes of elderflower. Now, it's time to add 400 grams of white sugar to the pot, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves and the ingredients start to meld together. We're going to heat this one up. So we're going to bring the mixture to a gentle boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes as the flavours all start to interact and meld together. Once the mixture's simmered, we're going to strain this cordial to remove any of the solids. Now it's time to bottle our homemade elderflower cordial and let the flavours develop further. We'll store it in a cool, dry place, and when we're ready, we'll pour it over a glass with ice or something bubbly. With Prosecco is what it's really nice. And then we'll cheers to the flavour of nature. That's it, our elderflower cordial. There's plenty of other ways to do this, but this is the quickest way I've found and most flavourful.